How to undo or revert changes in Codex. So for code changes after you run a task and it's completed, there should be this panel here, which you can expand, and it should display the changes or the diff. And then you can click on the undo and apply or reapply button from here. And to undo or revert git changes, you should always commit your current work before doing that. So you can open up the terminal and you should run git commit and basically commit all your current changes before doing the revert. And once you've committed everything, you will need to run git space diff and show all the diff. Then you can check what changed and run git space restore, and this will basically restore the changes. Or if you've already committed the changes, you can run git revert and head. And you can also show the diff by running git checkout head dash dash and then dot. Press enter. And this is for the CLI or the command line tool using Codex. Now for the web or for the desktop app, you can just simply use this diff panel here to undo specific changes. You can also roll back to a checkpoint or to a specific point in the conversation. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.